Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the phonetic project using Python. So user have to first register with the name, password, email ID and phone number. So let's enter one by one detail. And the project user interface develop a Tkinter library, that is Python inbuilt library. Okay, after entering all the detail, then user have to click on the register button, then register successfully. Okay, then log in with the same email ID and password which they registered. After that, click on login button. So login successfully. You can select the level, choose time limit and select the speed. Click on start. So time countdown will start and you have to select the character and then click on speak.
R
R
V
V
X
X
C E
E
U
U
B
B
Z
Z
W
W
J J
J
So for example, I have received 9 marks here. So when I submit this one, it will say you are performing good. You can move to next level now. I
I
Yeah. So we can see as it is saying, you are doing great job in this level. You can move to words now. So if I press yes, it will move. It will get get back to home window. Otherwise, it will continue this one only. See, I'm back to home window. I can select words and then I can start the game now. Lung,
L N G
it is also giving me some previous inputs so that it can test and it can just make me revise everything, just like flashcards. Why?
Y,
So it gave me some letter just to test my performance and just to test how I am doing right now when I'm in words with letters as well. Melt.
M, A, O, T,
Full.
F, A, O, O,
Hill.
F, E, O, O,
Edge.
E, D, G, A,
Tone.
T, O, R, N, A,
Worn. Worn. Warn.
W, I, R, N,
And
P, O, I, N,
task.
T A S
So as you can see, now I have been scoring 10 marks all along. So it is saying now you can go to the next level. So if I press yes, it will redirect me to home window. Now I can play for sentence. So I can just speak and transcribe.
Listening.
Cooking is a creative and enjoyable form of self expression. If I press check, it is saying it is 91.74% similar. So yeah, so this is how all other levels being analyzed, and this is how it is getting processed.
This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.